This Dollar Tree DIY is so easy for spring, but you can do this for different seasons. I love the art frames at Dollar Tree. They come in like black. I haven't seen them in any other colors. They have like the glass and everything in them. I'm going to take out the glass, the little picture that comes in there and all of that. I'm just going to use these two pieces, the front of the frame and the little cardboard piece that is on the back. But you could do this with the glass too. So for the first step, I'm just going to paint the frame with this chalk paint. I'm doing green because it's like it gives me like a spring vibe. But you could do like some distressing, make this kind of look like antique. Like I said, you could do this for a lot of different seasons, different ways. But I'm gonna paint around the whole thing, like within the inside, the outside, the top, getting all of the cracks, different things like that. I thought about coming back in with like some rub and buff and giving it just like a little more details, but I liked it just like that. I just did it with one coat and then now onto the cardboard. But like I said, if you didn't want to do the cardboard, you can do this with the glass. I would just suggest you paint a base coat so that when it starts to crack, you have a base coat underneath it. But the cardboard was a good base coat to me, so I'm just going to take some Elmer's glue. You can just use any school glue, and I'm going to give that like a good coat through the whole thing. You don't want to oversaturate it because it is cardboard and it will start to curl up on you if it gets too wet. And then while it is still wet, you're going to take and you're going to come in whatever paint color that you pick. I'm using this white chalk paint for mine, and again, it's going to give it a good covering. You don't want to go too light because this is like a cardboard and stuff like that, and then when it starts to go through, it'll make sense when it says. But I just used a blow dry. You could let it air dry, and you can see the cracks starting to come through, and it's showing like that cardboard color, which I think is great. I think it goes with the green, and it has like that natural look to it. Once everything was dry, I put the pieces back together. If you were using the glass, this is the point where you would put the glass. Or if you were doing it with the glass, then and you didn't use a base, then that cardboard color would kind of show through on like through the glass, if that makes sense. But okay, so I took these little bunnies. You get like a whole pack of these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use 3 of those. I'm going to give it like kind of like a stain look with the Dollar Tree brown paint. I'm just going to give it a good coat of that around the whole thing, just on the front, and then just give it a wipe off the excess before it finished drying. I love the brown paint from the Dollar Tree. I use it like for like a full stain all the time. But you can get really creative. You can make like cute little colorful bunnies with these. You can do like a lot of fun things, but I just want everything to be like nice, neutral, simple. And then I take Spanish sea moss and I'm gonna put some of that in here. But you can decorate the bottom with like little Easter baskets. You can do carrots. You can do like a lot of fun little things with this. But I'm just gonna take the Spanish sea moss and I'm gonna glue that down so that it doesn't go anywhere. I'm not gonna use too much of it, just enough just to cover the bottom. And then I'm gonna glue the bunnies down like kind of on the tip of the ledge right there. And then I just wanted to add just a little bit of faux greenery to the back of it just to give it just some height. I thought about adding a sign, but I didn't do that. I just left it just like that. And this is how it came out. I love it. It is so simple and so easy. If you like, give it a big old thumbs up.